Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to view lifetime stock analytics on Yahoo Finance. Stock analytics on Yahoo Finance refers to various analytical tools and data provided to investors to make informed decisions about stock. To see lifetime stock analytics, first open your Yahoo Finance application on your mobile phone. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now here you can view analytics of any of the company. To do that, tap on search Yahoo Finance on the top. Then type in any company's name that you want to view. I'm going on with Apple. Then here you can see the company's profile. Then tap on company's profile. After this, here you can see the company's data of stocks. You can scroll down. Then here you can see three options. Tap on financials. Now here scroll down, then here you can see historical data option. Tap on view more. Then here you'll be able to see all the historical data of stock. You can scroll down and look for the data you want. Similarly, here you can select your time period by tapping on the given time. You can select the start date and you can select the end date, then tap on done option. Then here you'll be able to select your frequency as well as so. After you do that, you can tap on apply. Similarly, you can also download the data by tapping on download option. This is how we can view lifetime stock analytics on Yahoo Finance. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.